My favourite part of the voice technology is the traceability, the ease of use. The support we get from Honeywell and Dematic is amazing. I definitely recommend voice to any business that wanted to look at it.
Tasty Fresh Food Co is a national business that started back in 1979. We have 6 outlets across 4 states. We service around 35,000 customers per day from around 153 vans. We produce around 60,000 units per day from our facilities, and we handle around 100,000 units per day.
Tasty Fresh initially reached out online to us and got us to come out on site and talk about their business. It was important that we developed clear understanding of their current processes and the business outcomes they were seeking to achieve.
When they came on site, we were instantly impressed that they wanted to understand our operations. They were fantastic. They came through our whole facilities and then they went away, came back again. Them understanding and not just telling us what we wanted to hear was a big reason why we chose Dematic.
A key part of the project was to be able to provide data back to Tasty Fresh for inventory and reporting purposes.
Our stock taking processes prior to voice were each individual van sales manager doing a stock take on each individual SKU on our vans. With so many people counting so many SKUs, there were obviously mistakes and errors which we couldn't account for.
Implementation of a Honeywell Dematic RTL Voice on Android solution was deployed for each Tasty Fresh depot. The 2 primary voice workflows that were implemented were pick to trolley and van loading. This system advises the operator which SKUs and quantities are to be loaded onto each trolley.
Pick 2, V green glass case.
Ready.
Proceed to van 518.
When completed, the operator proceeds to van loading. The operator is then instructed per van ID which SKUs and associated quantities are to be replenished into each van in SKU sequence.
Load 4, V green glass.
4.
Load 4, V blue 250.
4.
Proceed to van 515.
Shorts, overfills and audit is tracked, and this assists Tasty Fresh to check expected stock from point of sale deductions versus physical van replenishment undertaken throughout the voice process.
The system tells us what to load inside the vans, and also we tell the system how many we are loading. So same time that we are loading, we are also doing the stock take. So it's good to have this flexibility to make sure that our stock is right. It's a great system.
So using voice on Android, we're able to generate the pick quantities of sales, increasing efficiencies for our loaders.
It's easier for us because we're going to get the exact number that we need, and then we do all the vans and don't have to go back and fill it up more. So we save time.
So the new system is hands-free. Previously we used to use tablets for stock auditing. It's all done by voice now, and it's confirmed within the voice technology what number you've said.
It's great to have a hands-free and no paper. I'm going to be using my hands to do the job quicker. It's safer because I don't have to be holding the paper and getting the drinks.
The training for the voice system is exceptionally easy. We're able to train new staff up within half an hour. The voice technology makes my job a lot easier because I'm able to easily trace where stock's going, what stock's doing. Before, I would have to sift through hours of data just to find what I needed.
Every change we make in our business, it's always how will this affect the customer? It's giving us a better opportunity to satisfy our customer by picking the correct product.
Voice has improved productivity across the business. We're saving about between 5 and 10 minutes a day per van sales manager. That might not sound like a big deal, but 5 to 10 minutes across 170 employees a day is quite a cost saving.
When we first started to venture down this path, we thought, gee, this is going to be quite complicated. The way that it's just all come together has amazed me.
As Dematic have been fantastic in our initial implementation, we're looking to roll out many more applications from our confectionery picking to our production picking to even our fleet. We're looking at all areas because it's just been a fantastic process. And the way Dematic work with you on an operational level is like no other business I've seen actually.
It's been a terrific relationship, and that's why we want to look to take it as far as we can in our business, where everything that's handled and picked, the Dematic system will work for us.